Add X and Y labels to a pandas plot. Suppose I have the following code that plots something very simple using pandas. How do I easily set X and Y labels while preserving my ability to use specific color maps? I noticed that the plot wrapper for pandas dataframes doesn't take any parameters specific for that.
In Pandas version 1.10 you can use parameters label and label in the method plot.
The df.plot function returns a matplotlib.axis.axisUpplot object. You can set the labels on that object. Or, more succinctly, x.setsLabel equals xLabel, ylabel equals ylabel. Alternatively, the index x-axis label is automatically set to the index name, if it has one. So df2.index.name equals xLabel would work too.
You can do it like this. Obviously you have to replace the strings label and label with what you want them to be.
If you label the columns and index of your data frame, pandas will automatically supply appropriate labels. In this case, you will still need to supply Y labels manually, for example, via plt.label as shown in the other answers.